Hello guys, hope you all are doing well. Today I'm here to talk about a really important issue that is growing day by day due to the increasing use of internet. It's cyber stalking. So what is it? Cyber stalking is basically repeated harassment of someone online. It could be by sending threat emails, identity threats, and going to the location of the person. Anything that involves harassment online is cyber stalking. So, how can you prevent yourself from falling in such a situation? Cyber stalking can be prevented by some precautions that we take, because it's better to take precautions so that nothing bad happens in the coming future. No. So I will tell you about some 5 tips or 5 points through which cyber stalking cannot we can reduce the risks of cyber stalking with an individual. Okay, so the first thing I will talk about is all of us use social media profiles, social media websites, and maintain our profiles. Okay, but maintain a low profile. Now, what is a low profile? Okay, sometimes people keep open accounts, and stalkers may just stalk all the kinds of accounts, and they may go through these accounts, and many times people tend to update locations. If they visit a fancy restaurant, they will update their location on Facebook and Instagram, and if someone is stalking this specific person, they may reach there. Many cases have been reported that the victim had gone through some vacation, and then the stalker comes to the specific location, and starts misbehaving. This can be prevented by just not telling everything on the internet. You believe it or not, in today's world, what you show about yourself on the internet is what you are. The people think that you are the person you show on the internet. So please keep in mind to maintain a low profile. The second thing is that maintain a good digital hygiene. Now, what is digital hygiene? Digital hygiene means that, as I said in the first point, maintaining privacy is important. Okay, so digital hygiene is something that you keep your privacy settings clean. Okay, cleaning all the websites, not just social media, but also all other websites. Why we are so much focused as social media stalking? Because 30% of the times cyber stalking begins with social media platforms. Every website, Google, Instagram, Facebook, you can choose on Google and also on Facebook, who can see your posts or profile or anything. Maintaining a low profile and maintaining a good hygiene is important. The third thing is that do not connect to public Wi-Fi networks and any public charging slot or any chargers, jack points, because what happens that open Wi-Fi's many a times are a bait to extract data from the person's phone, and in future they are used as a weapon to just ask the person for ransom, maybe, or to stalk the person. Your information is now the most valuable asset, so just save it and keep it secured. Now the next thing is that it's regarding the pictures that nowadays people are sharing. Share your pictures, intimate pictures, maybe that involve nudity, with some trusted people, or don't share it at all. Because what happens is that cyber stalking is many a times a result of some kind of breakup, and it's revenge. Okay, basically, like, people would morph the picture and create a fake Facebook profile and upload these pictures on the internet, and it will go viral in no time. And it's in just a small amount of time, the profile of the person comes from here to here. So please do not send these pictures, because in such a crime, I believe that as much as the person who uploads them publicly is responsible, the person who sent the pictures in the first place is also responsible for it. Okay, so just don't send such pictures to anybody. Okay, and the last point is really important. keep your softwares updated and install an antivirus, an updated top-notch antivirus in your mobile devices and all the devices. Now, why is it important? Regarding software updates, there are some vulnerability patches in your previous version of the software, and it is repaired and it is taken into consideration in the update. So that is why you should keep all your softwares updated. It may be your Windows or any other, your apps updated. Okay, so it prevents hackers from getting into your system. And why you should install an antivirus system in your system or mobile? The reason is simple. See, you don't take coronavirus medicines that are being given to patients in the hospitals till you are not corona positive, but you maintain a good immune system so that you don't catch the disease. It's similar to that. Your antivirus is the immune system of your information or your mobile device. Okay, it acts as an immune system so that you don't catch any virus, okay, and nothing bad happens to your information or no one can get through it. Okay, so it is to protect you and your information, because your information is what you are. Okay, so just keep an updated top-notch antivirus in your systems. And even if you get cyber stalked or someone harasses you online, someone bullies you online, then gather as much evidences as you can and report it to the cybercrime portal, okay, online, or go to the cybercrime police station in your city, in your locality, and report it, because reporting it is important. And the next video for sure will be how can you report a cybercrime. This was it for this video. Thank you and stay cyber safe.